Hello again. The last model you just made was hopefully a Google drawing of showing how not only sedimentary rocks are formed, but also how sediment gets to the surface of the earth to begin with. The next link you're opening will be another familiar picture where you should have created a process for how igneous rock forms. And if you don't, I'm going to review that with you. Just a reminder, make sure you change it where it says copy of to your name, as well as your travel group. I've used 7A as an example, and then my name is there. The next thing that we've already done is we know that in this transformation region for igneous rock to form, the type of rock or material that goes here should be magma. We know that magma has to cool to form igneous rock. That is the process that forms igneous rock. So your process would also be cooling. I don't mind giving that to you. Bear with me. It's being a little slow on the dragging part here. Magma cools to form igneous rock. That transformation region you've already filled out. The other transformation region that you need to make is for how do we get magma there to begin with? Where's the movement of rock? That's your other transformation region. Is it caused by magma rising from deep underneath in the mantle? Or is it caused by erosion of other rocks that are already at the surface of the earth? That's what I want you to show me, that you know which one of those it is. You might even stop and replay this video to help you. So again, if it's at a transformation region at the bottom of magma that's rising to the top, you can put that there, drag the arrow over top. If it doesn't look like it's over top, you're gonna have to click this and click order and make sure you send it backwards. The other option would be if you think erosion is what causes magma to form, you would probably have this at the surface and you would put the arrow erosion in that transformation region because you're saying erosion causes magma to form. That's where weathering breaks down rocks into smaller sediments. So figure out which one it is, drag and drop to show me, and then I'm going to also show you how you need to navigate the rest of this lesson since it's a little different than normal. The rest of this part is that you'll need to scroll through here and complete your writing prompt. All of your directions for the writing prompt are very clear, labeled in that yellow box. The other part before you turn your assignment in is you need to go back to your Google Classroom. And this is not a Google Classroom, but this is a screenshot of images where I had to use Ms. Humber as an example and added her to my Google Classroom as a student and pushed this assignment out to her so that I could see what it looked like on the student end. So you'll notice this is a fake assignment. I entered it as a funny name, but you'll see this Google Doc with your name next to it. What you need to do when you're in my Google Classroom is over to the right-hand side, make sure that you click under Add or Create, click on your Google Drive, and you will need to add both of the Google drawings that you made, both the one that is labeled How Rocks Form Magma, as well as the one from the first part of this lesson, which is modeling how rocks form for sediment. So that was the other thing, that little step that you need to do. So you should have 3 things to press turn in here. 2 are the Google drawings, 1 for the sediment, 1 for how magma forms. And then the third one is the Google Doc with your writing prompt and your warm-up answered in it. If you need some help, I do have office hours today after school. Usually I don't on Wednesdays, but today I do, so check the Google Classroom stream for that Zoom link. They are at 3 p.m. both today and tomorrow. I will have office hours. If you still need some help in addition to office hours, feel free to call me and I can help you out. Good luck.